The universe is fundamentally unpredictable, so much so that in a matter of moments, everything could cease to exist. In this video, I will tell you how. Everything in a physical system has an energy level, where the higher the level, the more energy is in the physical system. In this diagram, an atom is excited due to absorbed energy, which causes an electron to move up to a higher level, n equals 2. Then when energy is released in the form of UV radiation, the electron drops back to n equals 1, the ground state where it is stable. The same is said for a bonfire, where you're left with ash. The chemical energy that was once stored in the log's bonds has been transferred to the surrounding area exothermically, so that little energy is left in the ash. In addition to this, in any physical system, there's an energy ground state that the system wants to get to so it has the least energy possible and so it can become fully stable. For example, imagine a ball. This ball has gravitational potential energy, but when you drop it, this energy is mostly converted to kinetic energy. When the ball is at the bottom, it reaches the ground state, where it is stable and has the least energy possible. Our universe abides by these two concepts of stability and energy levels, as do quantum fields. These fields govern how particles interact and operate, and they all want to reach their own ground state called vacuum state. Let's take the example of a bath. When you pour water in it, it will splash, move, and finally become still, which means it has less energy and reaches a ground state. However, what if the bath was on top of a mountain? Would it really be at its lowest point? No, it wouldn't. We call this the local energy minimum. The thing is, the water in the bath has no idea whether it's at the lowest ground state. This is similar to the Higgs field, the field that provides mass to particles. It is possible that this field is in the universe's equivalent of the local energy minimum, where it is metastable, meaning that it will continue pretending to be kind of stable till it can get to its real minimum. This state is called the false vacuum. If this is true, this field has huge amounts of potential energy waiting to be released. Therefore, at any point, this field can transition into its true vacuum state. An example of this is through quantum tunneling, where due to the quantum mechanical model being based on probability, there's a small chance that even if the Higgs field didn't have enough energy to go over an obstacle, it could tunnel its way through and roll down the hill to the lowest energy state, the vacuum state, where in doing so it releases massive amounts of potential energy. This would initiate vacuum decay, and the surrounding space's potential energy would be released, which then causes rapid inflation and a bubble of true vacuum to form with a shell of energy that could destroy everything it interacts with. If near enough to us, it could end life as we know it. Who knows? It could be happening now.